Today we have a phone. This is my old phone, which has had battery issues, and that's actually why I had this iPhone 6s battery lying around, which appeared in my store, and I bought this in the first episode thinking that it would fit in an iPhone SE, not realizing that they had different batteries, and forgetting that this was even for this phone in the first place. But since I have it, I might as well use it, and I would like to put it in this phone. Give myself a second chance. Before we take this apart, I would like to give it a full test. I have a wire. I'm going to plug it in. Like so. It was plugged in. Got a battery symbol. I'm going to leave it to charge for a day to see if it will turn on. So now it's been charged. We can see that it turns on. It's at 100%. And I can log in. And yeah, so the touchscreen works. Doop doop. The home button works. Yeah. The buttons work. The volume works. You can see the battery is already going down. The volume works. Or I think it works. Oh. Oh. Oh, actually it just died. Okay. So my phone just died. Let me plug it in. Oh, there it goes. Okay, it restarted. Oh, now it's at 1. So you can see the battery is a little bit finicky on this. Oh, there it goes. It's turning on again. So now it turned on, and so now it's at 10%. It was at 97% before, right? It was 98, 97, I think it went to. Now it's at 10%. So if I went into settings, battery health. So right now it says it's 71%. So I guess that's probably not terrible, but it says that my battery's health is significantly degraded. An Apple authorized service provider can replace the battery to restore full performance capacity. So the battery is bad and it needs to be replaced, but everything else is good. So the challenge today is, can I replace this battery without killing the phone? Since this is the start of a new project, I will gain $30 in my experience budget. You can see the total on the screen. So the battery is drained, it's dead, it doesn't turn on, and so now it's time to try to open this thing up. We have our kit from last time. These little screwdrivers, this little suction cup thing, these pry tools, SIM card remover, and also this glue. And of course we have the battery. And then there's other stuff that I also have acquired, but this is the stuff that was in that kit. And so we're going to try to use it to replace the battery without breaking the phone. Let's see how it goes. So first, get rid of this case. Okay, so here's the phone. It's iPhone S. So an iPhone 6s. It should be supposed to be an iPhone 6s. There's the 2 screws on the bottom here. We've got a little bag. There's a SIM card tray here. There's nothing else. So we'll start off by removing these screws. So hopefully all of my fiddling around last time will give me the experience I need to be able to do this properly. There we go. Okay, so screws are unscrewed. We can get rid of the SIM card holder, although I don't know, it didn't really seem like it mattered all that much last time, but I'm going to get rid of it anyways. Okay, got our SIM card holder here. We've got the 2 screws in this bag here. Okay, so now it's the tricky part. we have to get the screen off. This is where things could go wrong. Now I have this suction cup, and I remember last time when I was watching videos about how to do the iPhone SE that they were putting the suction cup like here somewhere and like pulling. And then I also remember there were videos where they were using like heat to help. Wow. This is suctioning very hard. Is it coming? Ooh, it is coming. Oh, look. Okay. Look, it's coming. It's definitely coming. So I remember last time when I opened the iPhone SE, there was like a hinge up here which connected the screen to like the rest of the phone's like motherboard and everything. So I'm assuming it's similar. The only difference is the size of the phone and the size of the battery. So like it's like I can see it coming up. Thing is, I think I have to do this with my right hand because I'm just not very strong. I want to be able to like put this inside as it opens, but the thing is, I don't think I have the capacity to like grip this while pulling on this while putting this in there. Like I just am not strong enough for that. Oh, wait, okay. It actually went in. It like slips right in there. Okay. Okay, let's get the other one. The other one, I'm gonna try to like kind of slip it in here. Oh, I also have to remember to be careful because this home button has a wire that connects to the back. And if I break that wire, the home button is broken. So that's the other thing I have to be careful with. So, come on. Is there like clips? I think there's probably like clips here or something. If I can. Well, I think I got a clip, maybe. Or it was just the sound of it not doing anything. Well, I think I got a clip though. Yeah, definitely. Okay, let's get the other side. Oh, okay. It's coming. This is all right. This is exciting. I think I'm getting it. Okay, careful about the home button wire. Oh, okay. There it is. Oh, yeah. All right. I got it. Look. Oh. Wait, what? There's no wire. Okay, well, yeah, it's a different model than the iPhone SE, but look. There's the home button. And I've pulled this open and there's no... The iPhone SE, there was a wire that connected from here to there that I broke. But there doesn't seem... Maybe they changed the design because of the danger that it kept of it being broken. Okay, here's the battery. iPhone... Oh, this is also an iPhone SE. I thought I had an iPhone 6S. I'm confused. Here's the iPhone SE that I fixed last time. iPhone SE. And look, it's definitely smaller. And I mean, I remember. I tried when I realized that this was the wrong battery, I tried to shove it in there thinking, "Oh, maybe I could make it fit anyways." But it didn't even like fit in the hole. This one like it's the right size. Like it's the right size and everything. Look. And I think that the battery thing is right there, which is exactly where this thing is. So let's try. It's the same size and everything. So we're gonna give it a try because I have this and I might as well. And I'm pretty sure, 99% sure that this battery is not the same size as the one that I put into this phone. So let's go ahead and remove things. Get rid of that. And now this, we can remove. Okay, so the top is disconnected from the bottom, except for by the sticky glue. So it's like, there's like some sticky, like, there's like sticky, like, black tape or something here. I don't know what it's for. But, oh, it's coming undone. Probably just helps it to stay together. Okay, let's remove the cap on top of the battery connector thing. And then I think we have to remove this. And see, here's what I remember. This is what I didn't do at all last time. These little tabs here are supposed to be like what you use to pull on the glue. Is what I remember last time when I watched it for the iPhone SE. And you're supposed to put the glue back in such a way where these tabs are here, which I certainly didn't do. I had no idea that those tabs even existed. So yeah, I guess we'll try to make that work. Okay. Yeah. Right there. Here's the, oh, there it goes. Yep. Okay. So yeah, see, look, it's the same type of battery. It's got the same connector. The other connector I don't think was the same exact configuration, but I don't exactly remember. Alright, I got this bar thing out. I don't know if the orientation matters, although I think it will force me to do it correctly because there's a little like, there's a little metal peg there that this hole will fit into, so it's gonna force me to put it back the right way, so that's good. Make sure the foam part is down. So now I don't really remember what I'm supposed to do next. I know this thing comes off, these little tabs. This is the glue tabs. And somehow you're supposed to just be kind of like pull it, I think. Okay, I got one tab out. I don't know, pull? I don't really know. Am I just gonna break the glue or what? Okay, I'm pulling it now. Look, it's going. Oh, whoa, whoa, okay. Stretching. Okay. Here we go. Pull. Have you seen this? Yeah. Pull. It's like a cheese or something. Oh, it's all coming. It's still going. Look at how long it is. This is actually quite exciting. Huh? Got it! Why, that came out so easy. Look. Huh. Okay. Let's do the other one. Got it! Wow, that came out so nice. Oh, remember last time I was like poking and prodding? And there you go. It just came out. I have removed the battery, and that actually took me, like, it didn't take very long, like maybe 15-20 minutes to just like open that, and that was me being very cautious. I haven't broken anything yet. I think that's a win. I'm very happy with how this has gone so far. We'll see if it continues to be good. Okay, so there's two sides to this glue. There's a pink side and a blue side. And I think I want to do the pink side first, put it in, and then do the blue side after and stick the battery on top so those tabs go on. I think that's what I'm going to do. So here we go. I know I want to be very careful to line this up properly because, well, here we go. We're doing it. If I'm doing it wrong, then I'm doing it wrong, I suppose. Well, it's not really coming off very easily. It's being gluey, sticking to each other. Okay, I think I just need to commit. Okay, well, it broke. Alright, never mind about the committing and about the tabs, because this is not going to have the nice tabs. The next person who tries to replace this battery will not have as easy of a time. I think I was supposed to do it the other way around. Okay, let's do the blue tabs first. So now the glue looks like this, and it probably won't work as well, but so here's the question. Should I just stick it in there like this? Or should I get new glue? I could probably stick it in with this one. But I wanted to get the nice black tabs. How much is glue? I don't know. Alright, so I broke the adhesive strips pretty badly. And I mean, I'm pretty sure that if I did this, like, the battery would stay, but it would be very difficult to remove if somebody needed, the next time it needs to be replaced. And the battery might not actually be flat, it might be bumpy, and I don't want to do that. So I think the lesson here is pink was the wrong choice. I was supposed to remove blue first, not pink. So when you do your adhesive strips, don't take my word for it because I am not an expert, but probably blue before pink, or maybe I was just doing it wrong. I don't know, but I'm going to buy a whole bunch. I'm going to get many chances to get this right. So, see you when I get those glue strips. All right, while we're waiting for the glues to arrive, I figure I might as well just test to make sure this battery will work, because I think I can do that. I just need to plug this in here and then like that, right? Plug these guys in. There we go. So that's all connected, right? So if I plug it in, it should do something. All right, here's a wire. So yeah, so the battery is plugged in and the screen is plugged in. So presumably this should... Oh, there goes. Oh, Apple. Okay. Let's see. Okay, might be hitting some kind of fault. Because it's just doing Apple and then I think hitting an error and shutting off, which is interesting. It's Make sure everything's plugged in properly. Oh, I don't know if this thing needs to be here. Everything else should be good. Let's see. Here we go. Let's see if it's doing the same thing it was doing before. Apple. Cut out. Apple. Off. Apple. Okay, well. This makes me think that maybe even if the battery would work, if it has some kind of protection that tells it, not correct, and shuts it off. I mean, I can just put this one in and just see if the same effect is happening, and then we'll know if that's because of I screwed it in wrong or if it's because it doesn't like this battery. Like, even if it's the right voltage, there could be some kind of check that says, are you the right battery? And if it says no, then it could still like hate it. Because we know that this, even though it doesn't hold its charge, it still turns on with this, so. There we go. Okay. So that's with the old battery in. Let's see if it does the same thing. Wire into the phone. Oh, okay. Look, now it's doing that. So it's definitely charging now. So I'm thinking that maybe it doesn't like this. Okay, so I did do some research on the Apple thing. There's a whole bunch of different, some software stuff, some hardware stuff that I could check to see what the issue was. I didn't really have a good way to test the battery outside of plugging it into the phone because I don't have a multimeter and I don't have any fancy battery testers. So what I decided to do was just buy another battery. This battery is like the same capacity and everything. Was $5.65. The funny thing is that it also came with another battery pack kit, so I also have more screwdrivers and pry tools and stuff, so if my old ones break, I've got more. And it also came with glue strips, of which I do have some coming in the mail, a whole pack of like 10 that I had ordered after I broke the other one, so I'm just going to have a whole bunch of these. And who knows if I'll use them, but they were $2. So I'm not going to glue this in right now because I'm just going to test to see if this even works. Like, will the phone try to charge, or is it going to do the whole Apple thing again? Because if it does that again, then I'm going to assume that there's some other problem and it's not just the battery. I also got another bag with this kit, so those might be the most precious commodities, those plastic bags, when I don't have a nice blue mat to store my screws in. Oh, I did search OEM, like the original products, which is why it looks a lot closer to this. It says PSE, PSE. It doesn't say IP6S on it, like this battery does. But it's not exactly the same, so I don't know if it's actually the original, but battery's out. It looks good. Let's put the new one in. Okay. It's in. Alright, so I plugged it in. It's in. Now that I think about it, I probably should have like removed other things before I did that. I don't know if that's important. But it's in now. It's plugged in. I'm going to screw this back in. The only reason why I'm screwing this stuff in is because I'm not sure if any of these screws like do anything. Because I mean, last time somehow the whole phone just like got wrecked, and I don't know why. I didn't do anything, I don't think. But it could have been the fact that I just didn't have all the screws. I don't know if that does anything. Okay, let's see if that will do anything. Got a wire here. Let's plug it in. Okay. Oh, It's doing the same thing. Maybe. But the apple's not quitting on me. Oh, okay. There it goes. It's on. All right, so I think that confirms that this battery is just bad. I mean, it's been sitting in storage for years. I don't know if that affects it. Also, it's like, you know, it's a third-party battery, and there's so many of these. It's very, very possible that I just bought a battery that is not good. I've received all of the glue strips in the mail. They were $1.94 for a pack of 10. There are 11 here because one of them came with the battery pack kit when I bought the new iPhone 6s battery that works in this phone. So the last thing we have to do is just to glue this battery down. We know it works, and we know that the phone works fully with the battery. So if I can just glue this thing in properly, then we will be good. Okay, I'm gonna move these out of the frame because there's a lot of them. Let's unscrew these screws. Now that I have 2 bags, what I could start to do is like differentiate 2 different types of screws. If I wanted to do that, I could. I don't think I need to with this phone, but okay. Screws are in the bag. Remove that. And then we'll unplug the screen here. Oh wait, I should probably unplug the battery first. There we go, battery's unplugged. And then unplug the screen. Okay, so now it's flat. Let's glue this battery in. Alright, so we want the battery to go in like this, so we want the connector to be there. And we want the black tabs to be on this side. So take one. So I believe what I did wrong last time is I tried to open it from this side, which was wrong. I'm supposed to take it from this side, I believe. So look at that. Comes off so easily, no damage. So okay, so I think I just take this off of the pink, then I put it in. Yeah, okay. I put it in like this, and then the black tabs will fold over because there's more black on this side than there is on this side. So I think it goes like this, and the back will fold over to be on top. So that's what I'm going to do. Here we go. Okay, there's one. Put it down like this. Oh, these are really sticky. Oh, okay. Actually, that's too far. We want it to be like here. I think that's good. Okay. And then we'll do the same with the other one. Uh-oh, we're off screen, I'm sorry. Okay, we're in frame now. Okay, so I think, I don't know, it's still too, okay. It's still too far. I think I want it to be like right up here because I want, yeah. Okay, I think I want it to be closer because I want these black tabs to be able to fold over. There we go. Glues in. So now this battery will go here. And I've got these blue tabs. Pretty sure this is just for pulling the tabs over. And then you remove the blue tabs so that you can fold the glue, the tabs over. Okay, I want to line it up as close as possible to the end, actually. They're very sticky still. Like that. That way I can put the battery in. Then I can remove these blue tabs here. Like so. So next time somebody needs to remove this, it's a little bit to the side, but I think this is fine. Next time someone removes this, they will remove the tabs and pull it like I did earlier. And it'll come right off. It should. That should be all together. Let's just give it a test and then I'll close it up. Okay, here we go. Apple. It's loading. It's loading, loading, loading. Yep, there it goes. I'm going to enter my passcode off screen. All right. See, look. Touchscreen works. The home button works. Yep. And these button works. Okay. So here's the ringtones. Yeah. Here's the ringtones, and I can play a ringtone. It plays. Okay, so see, it all works. Everything works. So all I need to do is just close this up. So I'm gonna shut this off while I do that. Shut down. Okay, it's off. Now we just need to get this on. It's all clipped down, just gotta screw these screws in. Alright, the phone is together. The screws are in. Just need to put the SIM card back in. There we go. Everything is together. So now we just need to let it charge up, let it drain, let it charge up a once cycle so that the battery gets calibrated. And hopefully it will last longer than 5 minutes. Okay, so the phone is good. It has been charged up, drained, charged up. It's at 80% now, but it does hold its charge now. I played a couple of games on here and it doesn't cut out on me or anything like that. The battery stays pretty consistent. So success, I think. And if I go into settings and go to the battery and the battery health, it says that it has 100% health. And that note there that said that the battery was bad is no longer here anymore. That means that this is a success. And for the first time ever, I finally can get my $70 reward. Now, with my reward, I am going to buy something that I need to buy for my collection. So let's go to the store. Multimeter, which is only 20-something dollars. It's on sale right now. So this is the perfect time to buy it. And this thing is normally $40, and so I don't want to be in a pinch and need it and it be $40. I want to get it now. Well, it's 20-something dollars, and it will be so useful. This is basically an essential tool for anyone who wants to take apart electronics, and somehow I managed to get through 2 videos without it, and those are all because all I was doing was just replacing a battery. But last video, I had to use it. I borrowed it, and so, which prevents me from being able to borrow it next video or the following video. So I'm just going to buy it now with my earnings. And so now I will have a multimeter in my collection and my tool set. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next episode.